Welcome to our happy farm.
Cow, C-O-W.
Cow gives us fresh milk every day. Cheese, butter, yogurt in every way.
Hen, chicken, H-E-N, C-H-I-C-K-E-N.
Hen lays eggs so yummy and bright. She pecks for bugs from morning till night.
Horse, H-O-R-S-E.
Horse is strong, pulls carts with pride. Right up their fields, go for a ride. Farm friends all around. Gentle, helpful, safe and sound. Learn their names and what they do. Our farm family sings with you.
Sheep, S-H-E-E-P.
Sheep gives wool so soft and warm. Blankets, scarves to keep from the storm.
Goat, G-O-A-T.
Goat gives milk and loves to play, munching weeds to clear the way.
Duck, D-U-C-K.
Duck swims around the pond so blue, lays tasty eggs for me and you.
Goose, G-O-O-S-E.
Goose guards the yard with a hissing sound, keeping everyone safe all around.
Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T.
Rabbit hops with fur so light, teaching us care from morning to night.
Dog, D-O-G.
Farm dog watches brave and true, helps the farmer all day through.
Cat, C-A-T.
Farm cat prowls to chase mice away, making the barn a fun place to play. Farm friends, now you know how they help and how they grow. Wave goodbye to each and say, see you on the farm another day.
Don't forget to subscribe to Kids Teacher Pack. We really appreciate your support.